WazirX allows partial rupee withdrawals from August 26. Cryptocurrency exchange WazirX has announced that it will begin allowing partial withdrawals of Indian rupee balances from its platform starting August 26. Cryptocurrency exchange WazirX has announced that it will allow INR balance withdrawals from its platform starting August 26. However, as per an official announcement on August 23, customers will only be able to access 66% of their funds. As part of this update, WazirX is also reducing INR withdrawal fees by 60%, lowering the charge from 25 Indian rupees to 10 Indian rupees. Meanwhile, withdrawals of cryptocurrencies remain on hold due to the exchange's insufficient token assets to cover all liabilities following the theft. This announcement comes about a month after WazirX was targeted in a cyberattack that compromised one of its multisig wallets holding $230 million in crypto assets, representing nearly 45% of the exchange's total holdings, while the operating entity for INR-related activities, Zanmai Labs Private Ltd., Zanmai, on the WazirX platform was not affected by the cyberattack and has sufficient INR reserves to cover all INR user balances. Not all of these balances are currently available for withdrawal, the exchange explained in a blog post. The exchange further clarified, due to ongoing disputes and certain investigations by various law enforcement agencies, LEAs, which it is assisting with, and is not a target of. Approximately 34% of INR balances are currently frozen and are not immediately available for withdrawal. Hi friends. Welcome to my channel Financial Market. If you are new, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. WazirX's restructuring plans. WazirX also revealed plans to file an application with the High Court of Singapore to seek approval for a scheme of arrangement aimed at restructuring its debts and ensuring fair recovery for creditors. This legal mechanism would allow the company to propose a debt restructuring plan that could deliver better outcomes for creditors compared to liquidation, subject to creditor approval and court sanction. Concurrently, INR withdrawals will be made available in phases. We will be providing users with further updates in the coming days, the exchange stated. WazirX emphasized, we have decided to pursue a Singapore scheme of arrangement to facilitate an equitable and user-approved distribution of cryptocurrency assets. A scheme is a necessary step to ensure that users of the platform are treated fairly and in line with user preferences so that the outcome remains legally binding on all relevant parties. WazirX INR withdrawal plan details. The phased withdrawal plan allows users to withdraw up to 50% of the available 66% of their INR balances between August 26 and September 8. The remaining accessible funds will be available for withdrawal from September 9 to September 22. WazirX said that this decision follows a comprehensive review of user feedback and an internal assessment. To ease the process for users, WazirX has also announced a significant reduction in withdrawal fees by 60%. Lowering the fee from 25 Indian rupees to 10 Indian rupees, despite the resumption of withdrawals, a substantial portion of INR balances, approximately 34%, remains frozen due to ongoing legal disputes and investigations by law enforcement agencies. WazirX clarified that its operating entity, Zanmai Labs Private Ltd., has sufficient reserves to cover all user balances, but the frozen funds are currently inaccessible. WazirX emphasized that Zanmai is not a target of the investigations that led to the freezing of these balances. The freeze was implemented by authorities as a precautionary measure while they investigated third-party activities. The platform assured users that all INR funds are secure and will be fully available once the legal matters are resolved, though a clear timeline for this is not yet available. Losses due to breach. As of now, the crypto firm has said the following about the distribution of its existing assets. We have decided to pursue a Singapore scheme of arrangement to facilitate an equitable and user-approved distribution of cryptocurrency assets pursuant to a scheme. A scheme is a necessary step to ensure that users of the platform are treated fairly and in line with user preferences so that the outcome remains legally binding on all relevant parties. WazirX argues that there were insufficient token assets available to meet the liabilities arising from the token balances after the cyberattack last month, which led to the theft of $230 million. it said that it will be filing an application with the High Court of Singapore to ensure that the platform has the time and breathing space it needs to pursue a restructuring. Sources at the crypto firm added that further updates on how losses will be dealt with will come later next week. Up till now, WazirX has proposed that losses from the breach will be socialized amongst users. The cyber breach siphoned off 45% of the crypto firm's assets. Security concerns and future outlook. In a statement released on Friday, WazirX expressed regret over the inability to resume cryptocurrency withdrawals, citing the substantial loss of ERC-20 tokens during the hack. The exchange acknowledged that there are currently insufficient token assets to meet the liabilities associated with user accounts. While we regret that users have not been able to make cryptocurrency withdrawals from their accounts for some time, the resumption of these withdrawals is not yet feasible, the company said. The cyber attack resulted in a significant loss of ERC-20 tokens, leaving us unable to cover all user liabilities at this time. As the investigation continues and the exchange works to bolster its security measures, the phased withdrawal plan is seen as a critical step toward rebuilding trust among its user base. The timeline for the release of the remaining 34% of funds remains uncertain, but WazirX assures users that it is cooperating fully with authorities to resolve the issue as swiftly as possible. Conclusion: WazirX's phased approach to resuming Rupee withdrawals is a cautious but necessary move following the significant security breach. While users will soon regain partial access to their funds, the ongoing investigations and the freeze on a portion of the assets highlight the challenges the exchange faces in restoring full operations. As the situation unfolds, WazirX's ability to manage user expectations and enhance security will be crucial in determining its future in the Indian cryptocurrency market. Friends, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.